It's J. Marie Louise, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had a great week, and I hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. So happy Saturday. And today's video, I'm going to share with my makeup kit. In my gratis video, I shared that I wanted to start doing makeup. So I put together a kit of some things that I have so far. So I'm going to share that with you. But first, I want to share my face of the day, like all the products I use to do my face. This is my work face. So I'm going to probably do a video, an updated video on my go-to work face or whatever. So first, what I use for my brows, I use the Brow Freeze by ABH. It's right here. That's what the packaging looks like. And it's really like clear. It's like a little soft little gel. And it's really great. So I like that. And then I set my brows with the Wet n Wild loose setting powder in the shade Banana by Wet n Wild. And then I stenciled my brows out with the Micro Brow Pencil by NYX in the shade Espresso. Then I filled in my brows with the Eye Envy by Kiss pomade in the shade Ebony. That's what it looks like. And then I cleaned up under my brows with these three concealers right here. I like to mix the three together. These two are from e.l.f. and this one is by LA Girl. This one is Deep Cinnamon and this one is Medium Beige, and this is Toffee. So I like to mix all three of these up to clean up under my brows. And sometimes I use it as a eyeshadow base too, like to set my eyes before I use my eyeshadow. So to clean up the top part of my brows, I use the Sephora Make No Mistakes concealer in the shade Anise. And this is what it looks like right here. It comes in a little tube like that. And for my eyes, for my eyeshadow, I use the Morphe 35O palette. And this is what the palette looks like right here. It looks like this. So yeah, it's a good palette to do a natural bead. I think I'm gonna get one of these to add to my kit too. And for my eyeliner, I use the matte liquid eyeliner by NYX in black. I love this eyeliner. It's one of my favorite drugstore brands. The NYX is, but this is one of my favorite drugstore eyeliners. This and the Mega Liner by Wet n Wild. For my waterline, I use the Sephora waterproof pencil in the shade Black Lace. It looks like that. And I didn't put on any lashes because I wear glasses because I can't see nothing. I wear glasses, so I didn't put on any false lashes, and normally I put on mascara, but I just didn't put on any today. So yeah, so now to the face part. What I use as a primer for my face is the Angel Veil face primer by NYX. And then I use the L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade what is the number, 515. And then I use the LA Girl Pro Concealers to do my highlights in the shades Fawn and Warm Honey. I put the Fawn shade on first to like under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. And then I go up under my eyes again with the warm honey because I like the brightness under my eyes. I like for under my eyes to be bright. So I use these two for that. And to contour, I use the Sephora Make No Mistake foundation and concealer stick. It's coming in tubes like this, and shades look like that. I use that to conceal, not conceal, but to contour my face. And this is in the shade Ebony. And to set under my eyes, I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Setting Powder in the shade Banana. This is my favorite setting powder, drugstore brand anyway. I love it. And then to contour, to set my contour, I use the Revolution Glow matte bronzer in the shade Dark. This is what it looks like here. And I already hit pan with it, so this is, I love this. I got an extra one too. I think I may have this in my kit. I'm not too sure. But what else did I use for my blush? I mean, to set my face, I use the L'Oreal Infallible little pressed powder foundation in shade 365 Copper. And this is what it looks like that. And then I use this blush by MAC in the shade Raisin. It's my favorite blush by MAC. If you're a woman of color, like, this is a good blush, a natural type of blush right there. For highlight, I use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Gold Deposit. The packaging look like this is like my favorite, one of my favorite highlighters right here. You can't really see because the lighting is kind of bad in here. And then to set my face, I use the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte Setting Spray. This is one of my favorite setting sprays right here. So yeah, that is my face of the day. So now let's get into what's in my makeup kit. So first, like, I don't know if y'all remember in my Gratis video I showed y'all this Tula little makeup bag. My kit is full, so let's show y'all what I got in here so fast. I'm in it right now. This is the I have the Man Eater mascara by Tarte. Then I also have the Roller Lash mascara by Benefit. And I have the Urban Decay eye pencil in the shade 0. It's black. And then I have two 24-hour brow setters, the gels for by Benefit. And then I have two the Professional Pore Primer by Benefit. Like, I have two of these. I love this primer too. This right here is like my kit. This is my kit right here. So you open it up at the top. This is what it, I don't want it to fall, but this is what it looked like so far, if y'all can see that. And then this top part, it like lifts up. So I'm gonna go through everything on each shelf all the way down. So first, we have the concealers. I have the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and Warm Honey. And then I have some e.l.f. concealers. This one is in the shade Deep Cinnamon. And this one is in the shade Fair Warm. And this one is in the shade Medium Beige. I also have some Revolution concealers, the Conceal and Define concealers. I have one in C8 and C12. And then I have a brow pomade by I Envy by Kiss. This is one of my favorite brow pomades. This is in the shade Ebony. I have 2 brow pencils. I got these from the hair store, and they were like only 99 cents. So I think they are, what shade are they? I think they're, yeah, dark brown. And they come with like their own sharpener. I have the, what is it? The Micro Brow Pencil by NYX Cosmetics. I like that. Also have the matte liquid eyeliner by NYX. And I have the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, the Mega Liner. It's one of my favorites too. I have another mascara. I got this as a free gift with one of my purchases. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Very Black mascara. And I have a beauty blender by Morphe. It's the highlight and contour beauty sponge right here. I like this red. It's one of my favorite colors. So that's on the top shelf. Let's see what's on the second shelf. Okay, for the second shelf, I'm gonna sit this right here. On the second shelf, let me slide back a little bit. So on the second shelf, I have some blush palettes. I have these two by Nika K. This one is the Red Glam, and this one is the Very Berry. And I still have some highlighters and bronzers. This bronzer is by Makeup Revolution, and this one is in the shade, oh no, this is the Splendor, this is the Ultra Matte bronzer. Yeah, it's in the shade Deep. So, and then this is a Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade Wet Shady Beaches. I like that too. I like my bronzers to have like a little shimmer to it, and sometimes I like the matte ones too, but the shimmer ones are my favorite. And got a highlighter by Maybelline, the Master Chrome. This is in the shade Molten Gold. It's really pretty. And then this is the one I just picked up today, the Splendor Ultra Glow Highlighter. Soft Glam. I'm gonna show y'all what this one looks like. So I'll open it up to look at it. This is the that highlighter right here. It's in the shade Soft Glam. And I think I got another bronzer in here too, but let's see. I have another bronzer by NARS. The shimmer to it is the bronzing powder in the shade Laguna by NARS. And then I got this blush in the shade Orgasm by NARS. Got this in Gratis. And then I have a bunch of brushes, so I think I'm gonna go through the brushes next, and then I'm gonna go do the rest of the products that I have in here. So the brushes, my favorite, some of my favorite brand of brushes is, well, one of them is the Ruby Kisses. I love these brushes. Like, I love these to blend out my eyeshadow. This is it's a tapered eyeshadow brush. I have two of them right here, and this is a concealer brush. So I like using this to clean up under my brows, and I love this. I love the Ruby Kisses brand. And then these brushes right here. These are the Royal and Lane Nickel brushes. I got these from Hobby Lobby. These are like some These are the type of brushes I would use for like liner or to like make little eye designs for my eyeshadow and stuff. This one is in a size 0, and this one right here is also in a size 0. I got some e.l.f. brushes too. I love e.l.f. This one is like a flat top powder brush, and this one is like, it's a flawless face brush, like a powder brush. And the rest of the brushes I have, or well, one of them I have right here is a Sephora brush. It's a, what is it? It's a shader brush. It got the little thing still on it. I got it on clearance for like $9. It's a shader brush in number 18. And the rest of these brushes right here are from Morphe. This is the angled liner brow brush M167. I'm at 65. Like, looks like that. Y'all can see it. And then I have multiple of these. I have these brushes right here. Let me sit this down. The M167 oval shadow brushes. I have like 4 of them. Yeah, I have 4 of those. And then I have these 3 brushes right here. These 2 right here are the large pointed blender brush M504. And this is the crease blending brush in M453. And this is one of my favorite brushes right here, the Deluxe Buffer Brush M439. I use this brush to apply my foundation. And this is the Oval Camouflage Brush M224. I like that brush too. I have a sharpener by e.l.f. And I also have some more of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus loose setting powder in the shade Banana. I'm gonna get some more shades too. And then the rest of the products I have in here, I have a Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, the Nubian. And I also have a Complexion Pro face palette by Morphe, the 8R That's Rich palette. It has like bronzers, blush, and highlighters in it. I think I'm gonna get like a couple of other palettes of these too, like maybe the other 2, the darker shade and the lighter shade too, because this is like the medium. And then I also have the James Charles Mini eyeshadow palette by Morphe. And then I have the Full Eyes 2 eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. And it looks like this. So that's all that's in my makeup kit so far. I know I'm gonna need a bigger box because I cannot fit all this stuff in here. I'm gonna need a really big kit. So I was thinking about getting like one of those train cases, because I think that would probably work better. Yeah, this is the end of my video, so I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions of what other type of videos I should do, just leave a comment below, let me know, and I'll do it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope everyone have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.